Replace sketch curves. References can be lost when changes are made to sketches. This can be easily avoided with the replacement assistant. And with that, welcome to Tips and Tricks on LearnNX. The plate should be thinner in the area of the screw holes in order to save material. The sketch must be changed accordingly. But the reference surface for the screw holes should be retained. Each object, and therefore each sketch line and each surface, has an ID number in NX, similar to the cell in an Excel spreadsheet. You can use the key combination Control and I to determine the ID number of the placement surface. Now I delete the original curve and replace it with a new contour line. When I finish the sketch, NX displays this message. I pluck up all my courage and click Yes, and then start the replacement assistant. Now I want to replace the old curve with this new curve. NX transfers the number of the old curve to the new one. This means that the ID number, and therefore the references, are retained. I check the ID number again with the key combination Ctrl+I, and it is unchanged. And so chamfers and holes can be created without errors.
Sounds like a happy end.
Of course, always.